Hey beautiful people, if you're new to my channel, my name is Alyssa Brigato, and if you're not, welcome back. Today I am going to be doing a review of Veet. I absolutely love Veet, and they've come out with a new formula, which is the Silky Fresh, which is a formula which smells less and it's like fresher and nicer, because some people might think the smell is a bit too strong, therefore they might avoid using it. So I'm really excited to see if it will affect like the overall results, because they had to change it in order to make it smell nicer. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to see if it still works and if the smell smells even better or worse. So in the box, when you open it, you get the cream and you get this type of little spatula thing. You can apply it with this, or you can use it to remove the cream once it's like been on there for a while and you're happy with how long it's been on there. However, for me, over the years, I've realized that it kind of like gets in the way for me. So I just apply it with my hand, and when it's ready, I just use a sponge or something to remove it. I just feel it's a bit better for me personally, but if you guys want to use it, go ahead and use it. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be applying it on the arm, and I'm going to leave it about 10 minutes just because I'm not really sure if the hair is going to remove quickly in 5 minutes. If you guys know about Veet starts working after 5 minutes, so I'm going to leave it for 10 just to make sure it really does come off completely. So guys, before we test it out, I just want to make sure that you guys read the instructions beforehand, because you don't want to go applying this on your face. This is not meant for your face, and I don't want you guys to get an allergy reaction or anything of the type. So please be careful and read. This was made for your arms and legs and bikini line. However, this one over here, which I have been using a lot, which has been a lifesaver, is for your face. And if you guys want to check it out, there will be a link down below which I talk about this specific Veet. So before I start using this one, if it's good, I've been using this one, which is in the shower hair removal cream. And I will be smelling this before I do this one, just so I have an idea what the smell was like before, and then I'll see what it smells like after. The things I'll be looking for is if it's like irritating, if it smells nicer, which is the main point of this video, because we want to see if the smell has improved or not. Because once you're in the toilet with the door closed, you don't want to be like suffocating or like feeling like you're gonna die from the smell. So we're definitely going to test it out and see if there's like a better improvement in that area. And without further ado, let's go and try it out. Okay, so let's open it and start applying it. So we're going to remove. Oh, that is tough. Okay, I'm just going to smell really quickly. Oh, okay, it definitely smells different. Oh, and it comes out really smooth. That's a different thing, because the other ones I've noticed it doesn't come out this smoothly. So I'm just going to spread it, and I'm going to make sure that I put a nice healthy amount, because we really want to cover all the hair and make sure nothing's like not covered, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to test it out in one part, so then we can compare to the other part which we didn't apply. But I can just say it's really smooth, and the smell is not that strong, which is actually quite amazing. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'll come back and I'll see you guys soon to see if it worked. So guys, I can confirm that the smell is a lot fresher. I am amazed by how much they were able to reduce that strong, overwhelming smell. It's so delicate. It still has like a fragrance to it, but it's a lot like a perfume like, instead of like a hair dye type of smell, if that makes sense. So what I really liked about this formula is, compared to the other one, this is really smooth, and it applies really nicely to the skin, and it feels really nice and cold, and it doesn't irritate my skin at all. But then that might just be me. So please do like test it out before you apply it completely to see if you have an allergic reaction. time is up and we'll finally be able to remove the cream and see the results. If you guys notice, after 5 minutes the hair began to change. It went zigzag. This is because it started working, and you can leave it for like up to 10 minutes depending how thick your hair is. If your hair is more thick, leave it longer. If you think it's fair and like thin, you can leave it less. But please, please, please do not go over 10 minutes because it might make your skin irritated, it might go red, and we just don't want that. So let's go and have a look and see how it's turned out. As you guys can see, it has removed a lot of hair. And I feel like once you wash it, it will come off more. It's just because the spatula doesn't remove very well. But I think it went pretty well, and the smell didn't intensify the more it sat there. It actually just stayed pretty the same, which is really good because the other one, you can get like stronger after a while. So I'm really, really pleased with the results, and I'm pleased with the smell. Now we're gonna just wash the arm and clean all this mess so we can have a proper look at what it will look like after it's like washed and cleaned. I didn't apply it all over the arm. I've only applied on this small section here. So there is still hair on other bits of the arm, but if we can see, it definitely came off. And what I find interesting is that it's not sticky, because when you apply the other one and then remove it, I feel like it's a bit sticky afterwards, and it takes a while to feel smooth again. So I really like how this one is more, you know, soft and not as sticky as the other one. A few questions that I might get is how long it lasts. It lasts about a week, so after a week you will have to reapply it. And I think this will last you quite a while because it is 200 milliliters, so it's good. So you have a lot to work with. No, don't apply it on your face. Just recapping, you do not apply it on your face. If you do want to apply on your face, again, the hair lightening kit. This will not remove it though, this just will line the hairs. So there might be on their site some type of hair removal for the face, which I'm not really sure because I don't really use it for my face that much. I just do this one. So please check out their site if you have any doubts. In their site, it will tell you what to use for what. You can like select what you want it to be used for, and it will give you like the products. So please, please, please do not apply this on your face. I do not want you guys getting hurt. Some people do ask me if it leaves any pimples behind, if it turns red, gets rashes, or just irritates. Well, for me, it really depends on your skin type, but for me, it doesn't do that. If you have more of a sensitive skin, the good thing is that Veet also does specific products for sensitive skin. I think it comes with a little blue, like, I don't know, I don't have one right here, but it comes with a little blue banner that says for sensitive skin. So if you do have sensitive skin, keep an eye out for that. But personally, no, I don't get any of those side effects. But the thing I do notice is that if you don't wash it properly, it can be a bit annoying on the skin. So make sure you put a lot of soap on and wash it off and dry it really well, so then you won't feel annoyed throughout the day, and you just feel nice and fresh and like a new person. Another tip I would recommend you guys doing is after you've applied the cream and washed it off, it's good to have like a little lotion to apply on to make your skin smooth and hydrated and moisturized. I do know that Veet also does like a little oil. If I find a picture, I will put it somewhere on the screen. They give it so you can put it after, so your skin feels fresh and nice, and it will be delicate throughout the day. So you could also buy that if you guys are interested. So guys, I absolutely love this new Veet. I think it's definitely worth buying it, and I really do think Veet managed to succeed in making this smell nicer and fresher, and I definitely will be using it from now on. So if you guys have any questions, you can leave me down below and I will tell you if there was any side effects, If you guys want to know the prices at different places, I'll definitely check it out and let you guys know. I will leave down below the link to where I bought the Veet. I bought it on Amazon, so if you guys want to go and check it out and buy it, please do go in the description down below. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, because I definitely had a lot of fun testing it out and letting you guys know what I thought. Please like and subscribe and turn the notification on to know when I post a new video. I do different types of video, and if you guys have any recommendations, please let me know. I really do appreciate it. Thank you for subscribing. If you have, I'm so grateful for all the subscribers that I have. It's like a nice warm hug, and I love you, love all of you. Thank you again once more. Love you guys.